Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Pusheen in a pumpkin patch. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of Pusheen's body. Let's start on the bottom right and let's draw a large curve over to the left and bring it down. And then at the bottom, let's curve it in. Now we're going to hop back over to the right side and draw the tail. Let's draw a curve in. Curve it down and out. Now let's hop back up and let's draw another curve down to close off the tail. And now inside, let's draw some curved stripes. Now to close off the body, let's draw a line across at the bottom. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's hop in and let's draw the face. Let's start inside on the left and let's draw a long oval down and back up. And let's do the same thing next to it on the left and on the right. Now on each side, let's draw a curve up and bring it down for the ears. Now for the mouth, let's hop down and let's draw two curves down and out. And then a circle on each side for the eyes. And color both of these in black. And lastly, for the face here, let's draw two curves on the right for the whiskers and two going out on the left side. Now that we're done the face, we're going to hop up to the top and let's draw a curve across. And another one on top. And then a curve at the end to close it off. Now let's add one more stripe on top by drawing a curve down. And then curve it up at the end. And that's it for Pusheen. Now let's hop out and draw the pumpkins. Let's start on the bottom left next to the face and let's draw an oval shape around like this. And then inside, let's draw two curves. Now for the stem, let's draw two curves up on top with a line across. Now on the left, let's draw a curl up and around like this. And that's it for the first pumpkin. Now let's draw the larger ones behind. Let's start on top and let's draw a bump up to the left and bring it down. And then a bump up to the left. And let's bring it all the way down and in. Now inside the pumpkin, let's draw three curves. Now we're going to hop to the top and let's draw two curves up and over to the right for the stem. And close it off at the top. Now for the vine, let's draw another curvy line on the left side And then on the right, we're going to draw a leaf by drawing a bump up, another one over, and 2 going down. And that's it for the first large pumpkin. Now let's draw one more on the right side. Let's start on top of Pusheen's back and let's draw a curve up to the right and down. And then a bump next to it. And then bring it up all the way down. And curve it in at the bottom. Now let's add a curve inside on the left and a longer one down on the right side. Now top on top and let's draw 2 curves up for the stem and close it off at the top. Now on the right side, let's draw the vine with a curly line. And then let's hop to the left and let's draw the leaf with a bump up, another one at the top, and 2 more going down. And then let's add a curve up inside. And that's it for Pumpkin Patch Pusheen. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!